Back from the Edge, Recovered Animal Species by Elizabeth Massie. Introduction. Have you ever gone on a picnic? As you sat brushing away ants and dodging flying insects, you might have thought, there sure are a lot of bugs in the world. Have you ever gone to the zoo? You might have been amazed at all the kinds of monkeys, snakes, seals, and wild cats you saw there. Have you ever put a bird feeder near your window? Perhaps you were surprised at all the different kinds of birds that flew in for a meal. We share Earth with lots of other animals, many of which you have probably never seen before. No one knows exactly how many animal species there are in the world. This is because many of them have not even been discovered yet. Zoologists have determined there are anywhere from 2 million to 5 million species of animals alive today. These species include invertebrates, mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, and amphibians. More than half of all animal species are insects. Animal species depend on each other for a variety of things. Lions hunt zebras for food. Screech owls might spend the day hiding in a tree in a hole made by a woodpecker. Cattle egrets, a type of bird, eat insects stirred up from the tall grass by grazing cattle. Plovers, another type of bird, eat the meat and tiny animals stuck between a crocodile's teeth. This way, the bird gets a meal and the crocodile gets its messy teeth cleaned. Deer, horses, and people depend on insects to pollinate flowers on fruit trees and bushes so apples, pears, and blackberries will grow. While animal species need each other, they also compete with each other. Mockingbirds may fight with cardinals for a spot at the bird feeder. Groundhogs and skunks may compete for a nice warm den under a house or shed. People who ride jet skis near the shorelines may compete for space with nesting water birds. Developers may drain a swamp to build new houses, leaving frogs, salamanders, fish, and turtles to die or to find another place to live. Many people have come to realize that since we share Earth with other animals, we must be careful about what we do. We need places to live, work, and play. We need food to eat, water to drink, and energy sources to run our cars and heat our homes. Yet we also must take precautions not to destroy or harm another population of animals while we take care of our own needs. This has not been an easy task. Chapter 1. Hello, Goodbye. When was the last time you saw a Tyrannosaurus rex lumbering across your yard or a sharp-toothed 40-foot-long megalodon swimming near the surface of the ocean? Have you ever watched a giant ground sloth chewing on the leaves of a tree? Except in our imaginations, these three prehistoric creatures no longer exist. They are extinct. Once a species is extinct, there is no chance of it coming back. Science fiction stories and movies may suggest that someday scientists might use DNA to recreate extinct species. However, science is not advanced enough for that to happen. So animals that have died out remain gone. They will very likely remain that way. Dinosaurs, a name that means terrible lizards, have been gone from Earth for many millions of years. Where once the Stegosaurus, Iguanodon, Ankylosaurus, and Pterodactyl roamed, now wolves, bobcats, squirrels, and crows make their homes. Modern birds, which many scientists consider descendants of dinosaurs, populate almost every part of the world. However, the many species of animals we call dinosaurs lived between 245 million to 65 million years ago. Then they were gone. Something happened to kill off these great creatures. What could that have been? There are different theories as to how the dinosaurs became extinct. Most scientists agree that a main cause was a major change in the climate of Earth. The environment in which the dinosaurs lived changed from warm to cool. The dinosaurs needed warmer temperatures to survive, and the cooling of Earth happened faster than the dinosaurs were able to adapt. Because of this, they died off. However, some furry mammals that lived during the same time were able to survive the colder climate because of their thick coats of hair. Some scientists believe volcanoes were responsible for the climate change that caused.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?